Mundurume uria wonire mwiri wa uria wari muteti na muonjoria mutigairi JM Kariuki uria onanagio ta JM Kariuki niakuite na mwiri wake ugathikwo kaunti-ini ya Kajiado. Makiaria hinde igongona ria mathiko ma Ole Tunta, family ya mutigairi JM Kariuki itongoretio ni mwari JM Kariuki ni iratugiririe ucamba wake na kwiranira nimekwambarira tabarira ya uthii wa nambere mwena ucio ari ta kiririkano kia mutigairi.
The family of the JM family will be forever grateful to Musaite Ole Tunta. He was the man who not only assisted us as a family in finding the body of our late father, but he was also the one who let the world at large know that my father had been murdered. If it wasn't for him, history would be a different story today, which the family of JM intend to sit down and discuss how we can help build something for the community that will benefit the community.
Musaite Ole Tunta na urakuire ari na ukuru wa miaka 109 niwe wari mundu wambere kuona mwiri wa mutigairi JM utetwo mutitu-ini wa Ngong hindi yo ari kahii ka ruru, na ucamba wake ni uratugiririo na makiria ni muingi wa mwena ucio.
It was a God's plan for him to see the body and report to the police, but for human beings this was actually wrong because they wanted to hide the truth, but the world came to know the truth because of him reporting to the police, and then the world now knew that he was assassinated and thrown to the bush for the hyenas to feed on.
Mwiri wa JM wonekirio utetwo rucini rwa tariki 2 mweri wa gatatu mwaka wa 1975 na gucungirira mirurungano muingi ugithingiriria kwenda kumenya no woragire JM. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.